Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have VIVO Y17S and I want to show you how take long screenshot on this device. To take long screenshot, open your Google Chrome application or something like that, would have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that we tap on our long screenshot option, and now it is scrolling and adding more information to create our long screenshot. We must tap on it when we have all we need, or we can add it manually. After that press save, and we have our long screenshot which is saved in our gallery right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!